War day number 1022, 1022 days ago. The war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle, the binary puzzle, in today's newspaper on a Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, December the 11th, 2024. And we have not so good news in today's newspaper. We have no extra puzzles, no additional for the evening. So only these three regular puzzles. Two of those I've already solved, the 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku. And it's time now for the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 9733. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. All right, let's get started. Double ones, here no, there no. 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 Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O, double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Then, let me see, between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Then between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be 1, this should be no. Then, let me see. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If we place number 5 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If we place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. Well, I need to place the 5th one in one of these 3 boxes, so this box should be an O then. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. It could be here. It could be everywhere. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. I cannot place number 5 there, otherwise we will have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. How about here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's, double O's. Here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Now I need to compare these twos. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need to compare. Question is these 2 rows, these 4 rows, or these 4 columns. Do we have here double 1? Okay, this is not the same. Okay, how about here double O's? No double O. Here we have a double O. Yeah, we got you. The third column and this column. Let me compare. 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 empty box, empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. 1 2 3 wait, 1 2 3 4 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1 2 3 4 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Okay, now these 2 columns or these 2 rows. That's the question. We have here double 1. No, not the same here. So we cannot compare. This one double O here. Here we have a double O. Double 1. This one. And this one. Let me compare 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 empty box, empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double O's here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Finished in 7 minutes. We solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, so we do the thing. So thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it a solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again tomorrow on Thursday. So have a great and fantastic Wednesday. Until then, bye bye for now.